Hello, everybody. I hope you're doing well today. This is Stacy Kim Brown, and I'm going to show you a quick video on how to use your loyalty reward points, how to use your credits, and then also how to stop a subscription order previously known as ER. And so let me just share my screen real quick, and we will get right to it. So here's a Young Living back office for ordering. And right here, when it comes to loyalty rewards, it shows that there's 1089, and then account credit shows that there's 28. So I know for a fact that Peppermint, pretty soon you're gonna be able to type this in, like I'm not the best speller, and you'll be able to type it in. If it was incorrect, it'd still pop up. Right now, you have to type in the whole word to find what you're looking for, but there'll be updates coming, so that's exciting. And I actually clicked the wrong one because I need, you can't hit back button. See that? Peppermint. Vitality, because it's under that amount, add to cart. And then if you don't know already, pine is an excellent oil to be using right now in this season that we've been in for the last year plus. And $16. What I'm trying to do here is to be able to have this whole order be able to go underneath credits and the loyalty reward points so that there's no money out. And so now we have these two items, estimated total, let's see, taxing. So now I'm going to go to checkout, and you have to go in order here. This is the correct address. We have the shipping here, but hopefully we won't be needing that. I want to use the loyalty reward points. You only can use, you can't click more and then pay for credits down here with this. Hopefully that makes sense. You just put what the right amount is here. So this part has to be under there. So we still have 14 cents worth, but it's okay. And then right here, well, I did something wrong here. Oh, I know what I did. Let me go back over here to, this will just be a good learning opportunity, to my cart. Click on this. Looks like we're going to learn this together. What's going on here? So my account subscription must be the subscription. Okay, so I'm going to stop. I'm going to, because we're actually closing out this template. I know it's going to go to be a 50 PV. I need to cancel this one. Yes, it said, gosh, I should have just showed you that. That said, are you aware that if you stop subscription, this means that you're going to lose, if you get 24%, you're going to lose that. And it tells you all the pertinent information. And then now I'm going to come back over here to the cart. Let's see what's in there. View cart. Okay, so this is what my problem is. I have 2 pine. So now we come to $38. So I'm going to go to checkout. We're using $10 for the peppermint, which that has a lot of money there. And then it says that we still owe $25. That would include the shipping. So that's fantastic. Wait, what's that, 86? So I'm going to hit apply. And I don't have to continue with any other payments. You can't round up when you're using points, loyalty reward points. Oh, I have to hit continue. It shows that this is what I'm going to get. I have to click here. I have to hit submit. And literally that's it. So that's pretty exciting. You can always go to view order details. And I'm going to take a screenshot of this so I can send it to the individual so she'll understand. She didn't have to pay for anything. So you see the subtotal is $31.80. She got savings for getting 24% discount. There was shipping, product tax, shipping tax, no other charges. There was $25.86 in credit and $10.75 on loyalty reward points. And so there was no out of the pocket. So this is amazing. And once again, we'll go up here and double check this. But if you go to subscription, it should say that there's no subscription found for this month. And if you want to start a subscription, you have to start today a brand new thing. So that means that her template has been canceled. So I hope this helps out a little bit. I know all this stuff is brand new for all of us, and we're all trying to figure out how to do it and all the different intricacies, that's the right word, and how this site works. Things are always going to be improving, and if you have any thoughts or suggestions that you think things have need to be changed, then please let us know so we can help facilitate that. And one other thing, if you are having troubles with some of your website issues, whether you're on Safari or Firefox or Chrome, then you need to go in. If you don't know, Google it, please, because I don't have the instructions for you right this second. But you need to go in and clear out all your cache and all your cookies, and that will reset all your Young Living preferences. If you're still having troubles, that could be the reason why. That happened to me personally, so I know it will change for you as well if you're experiencing issues and you do that. Okay, have a blessed day. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.